Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to set up Instagram shopping with your Shopify. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step-by-step process to set up Instagram shopping with your Shopify. So let's get started to the video. Now you can see here I already opened that Shopify page. So inside that you can see that at the left side one add app is there, so click on that. So inside that you can see the different third party application related that Instagram, like you can see here Instagram feed and all like that. You will get different third party application, so don't select that. I will show you one of the official for that Meta. So in that you can see the for the Facebook and Instagram and all. So you can see here Shopify app store, so click on that. Yeah, now you can get this type of page. So inside that if you are not getting here for Instagram and Facebook, so you have to select and search for Facebook and all like this. Different third applications are there like that, so don't select that. You can see here one of the official, so click on that. Yeah, now you can see this type of page for that Facebook and Instagram, which one of the for the Meta. So now you can see here install option is there, so click on that and you have to install this. But I don't want to add this application for shopping, so I will not install. So again go to your home page for Shopify. So inside that you can see at the settings, so click on that setting. So now you can see here apps and sale channel, so click on that. So after installing that application, so you will get here that Facebook and Instagram application, so you have to select that, and in that you can sell and all everything. So you can do the shopping whatever you want, you can do through your Facebook and Instagram. So in this way you can set up that Instagram shopping with your Shopify. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.